Well, I've got a DSM throttle body taken apart and cleaned, and I'm getting ready to install the seals, which is about the first thing you can do. And first thing I do is put a little petroleum jelly on my seal, just to keep it lubed up inside and out. I've got a special tool here to seat them. Make sure you orient it the right way with the cup facing in. Let's put it on the tool. And let's install it. Boy, slick as a whistle on that side. Let's grab the next one. Install it on the tool. This would be the TPS side. Give it a nice press. The seals are installed correctly. And I hope you all liked the video. Thanks for watching.